Hi, want to know how to connect USB drive and transfer data on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, first thing that you need to take care of is to make sure that your USB drive has Type-C input, because this model of phone supports only one input, and that's the exact Type-C. So, now as a next step, we would need to take our drive and then take a look at the bottom side of our phone where you can see the charging port, where we can also plug our drive. So let's do it. I'll take the cable and just insert it in my phone. Now, as a next step, to even see the files that are located on the USB drive and do something with them, we would need to open application, name of which is Google Files. And let me just find it. Here is it. Here is it how it looks, like a little blue folder. So we would need to click on it, and here just click allow. Now, as a next step, here on the main page you can see that we got tab named storage devices, where you can see the internal storage, which is the storage of your phone, mass storage, which is the USB drive that we have connected, so we can take a look on it. Here you can see some of the folders that are located on the USB, but this is not the case. Now we have a task to transfer files from our phone to the USB drive. And to do it, firstly, we would need to find the files that we would like to transfer. So for example, let's take downloads and here this song from Ariana Grande. So to copy it to the flash drive, we would need to hold our finger on it to select this file and then click on these three dots right here. Now we would need to choose this option, copy to, and now as a next step we would need to choose our mass storage device. So click on it, and here you would need to just choose the final destination for this file. So for example, I'll choose DCM and click copy here. And now you can see that we got in progress copying one file to DCM, and this is it. Now let's check our mass storage and if the file is really there. Now we have this folder DCM, and yes, we have successfully copied the song. So the original version will stay on your phone and the copy is on the drive. Now we can go out from the files, swipe down to open our notification panel, and here you can see that we got USB drive notification. So by clicking on this arrow here, we need to click eject so we can safely remove our USB drive from phone. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.